Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be talking about the top 10 affiliate programs that can pay $1,000 a day. Yes? So we will check them all here. For example, in number 1 we have Social Catfish. The commission is up to $1,250 per sale. Why is it lucrative? Because Social Catfish specializes in online verification and identity protection. Yes, for example, in number 1, we're talking about Social Catfish. We have the website here. Remember that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to go straight and check the websites for yourselves. Yes, with Social Catfish, you can find people and stay aware and keep safe online. This is their official website. In number 2, we have Bluehost. Bluehost pays you up to $65 per sale. Yes, Bluehost is a trusted name in the hosting industry. Yes, individuals' sales offer moderate commission. Promoting Bluehost to a broad audience can result in massive cumulative earnings. Yes, let's go to their website here. The only WordPress platform you'll ever need. This is the official website about Bluehost and you want to promote it. Yeah, this is about Bluehost. They pay you $65 per sale. Now, in number 3 we have the System.io. Commission is 60% recurring revenue. Yes, why? It's lucrative because System.io is an all-in-one business software for entrepreneurs. Yeah. So let's check their website here. This is the official website in which you guys are going to be signing and promoting the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. What you can do with System.io, you can create sales funnels, you can also send marketing emails, and also you can build your websites. Yes, so it's a nice landing page to promote. How about number 4, Cloudways. Commission is up to $125 per sale. They offer cloud hosting with high payouts and various commission models. Yes, let's check their website is here. Yeah, here is the website of Cloudways. I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to check them out. For example, here, manage web hosting for online success, and you go to the click here, affiliate, and you can become an affiliate here. Click here and you register with your email here, GitHub or any. Yes, so now let's move to platform number 5. HubSpot pays you up to $1,000 per sale. Let's check the website. It's here. HubSpot, grow better with HubSpot. You can always get a demo, get started for free, and you are ready to promote. In number 6, we have TubeBuddy, 50% recurring revenue. TubeBuddy is an essential tool for YouTube creators, offering analytics, SEO, and productivity features. Yeah, become a TubeBuddy affiliate today. Let's check the website. It's here, the ultimate growth tool for YouTube channels. Create, manage, and grow your channel confidently with tools built for creators like you. And you guys are going to also promote them. Yes. In number 7, we have GetResponse. Commissions up to 33% recurring revenue. Also with email marketing, and you are essentially going to promote email marketing services. How about number 8? Commission up to $150 per sale. Shopify is a powerhouse in e-commerce, offering affiliates the chance to earn significant payouts. With a broad audience base, it's one of the most versatile programs to promote. Let's check the website about Shopify. Here is the website. Yes, be the next store they line up for. You can also start your free trial to see how it works and also obviously promote them. Yes, solutions, what solutions they offer. They offer start your online business, create your website, and many other features. Commission up to 40% recurring revenue. Let's check the website. It's here. Cyber Monday, yes, pay minus 70 74% and get 3 extra months. Yes, NordVPN is for when it comes to security. NordVPN is a trusted VPN provider with global reach and competitive commissions. Privacy concerns have made VPNs a necessity, creating ample opportunities for affiliates. So in number 10 we have Fiverr affiliates, up to $150 per sale. Fiverr Affiliates provides access to a wide range of services from graphic design to writing. With tiered commission structure, affiliates can earn substantial income through high-value traffic. Target audience, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses. So here's the website, become a Fiverr affiliate. Yes, you can promote this marketplace for Fiverr affiliates. Remember that I'm gonna be dropping my links down below, guys, for you to click there and start promoting and earn a good commission. Yes, I hope you have liked my review. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much.